Aquasanita is a brand new name in the kitchen's equipment market. However, it is already known as a reliable and qualified name not only in the Baltic countries, Russia, Ukraine and Belarus, but also in some other European countries' markets. Aquasanita company is trying to present to the final customer the products of original design and irreproachable quality for the competitive price. We make sure that Aquasanita products become functional units in your kitchen. Artificial granite is compound material, whose main components are the natural mineral filling and the resin. Products made from this material have the surface which looks like being made of natural stone. Visually, the artificial granite does not differ much from the natural stone, and some of its properties are even better. The density of artificial granite is the same in all its mass. Therefore, the products made of this material do not crack affected mechanically or due to atmosphere impact. The painting scheme of the filling is made of polyurethane. Therefore, it has strong sheet from chemical and mechanical impact. The natural granite has a property to take up the dampness. Therefore, the spots stay on the surface because of interplay with all kind of colorific liquids. The artificial stone does not have these properties for already mentioned above polymeric shell. The production made by the company Aquasanita is marked and packed according to the requirements of the European Union. The material used for packaging, 5-layer corrugated cardboard, forms the packaging along with EPS, protective packing elements of foam polystyrene. These materials can be characterized by excellent technical features which ensure the protection of the product from damages during its storage and transportation, and can be easily recycled. It is, the environment is polluted less. More than 70% production made by Aquasanita is exported beyond the limits of the country. The colors of kitchen sinks by all manufacturers are usually matched to the colors of tabletops and domestic appliances. Water taps are made in the color which is identical to the one of kitchen sinks. It was also noticed that very smooth surfaces are sensitive to scratches, and water residues accumulate on a frosted, good-looking and rough surface. The surfaces of kitchen sinks made by Aquasanita have the balance of smoothness and roughness.